Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series on Simple German Academy for Beginners. Our series for A1 or the beginner's level, and there are some additional videos on vocabulary and grammar that you should cover up under this syllabus. In this lesson, you will learn a few greetings in German. Let's begin.
Lektion 1 Begrüßungen
Or greetings. In this video, we are going to discuss different forms of greetings used in various German-speaking countries. The greetings will give you a feeling of the German pronunciation. And to have a good command of the language, repeat what you listen a few times. So, here's the first one.
Hallo,
Once again.
hallo,
This is the most commonly used form of greeting in Germany. Notice the difference in the pronunciation. It's
hallo,
and not hello. These days, some people also greet with a simple hi. The next one is,
Guten Tag,
once again,
Guten Tag,
yet another commonly used form of greeting, but used mostly in formal situations. This can be used any time of the day. When you are greeting someone in Germany, it's very important to make an eye contact. Also, don't forget to offer a firm handshake. And if you are offered one, make sure the handshake is safe. Let's now learn some greetings that can be used only during a particular time of the day.
Guten Morgen,
Once again,
Guten Morgen,
this is to wish a nice morning.
Guten Abend,
Once again,
Guten Abend,
this is used to wish someone a nice evening. Please note that even during late evenings, this greeting can be used.
Gute Nacht,
Once again,
Gute Nacht,
this is generally used before going to the bed. You must have noticed that in the last 4 greetings, there is some similarity. Don't be afraid. Don't be confused. And don't get into the details. We shall be discussing the same in the next videos. Please concentrate on only the pronunciation and the usage of these words. And just learn them. Let's now learn some regional greetings.
Grüß Gott,
Once again,
Grüß Gott,
this originates mostly from Austria, which is also a German-speaking country, and is mostly spoken in Germany in Bayern or Bavaria. Bavaria is the biggest state of Germany. Well, you do see some new characters here. Don't be scared. The beta sign here is the sound of a double's end and the U with those 2 dots. We will be discussing later what they are. But right now, just remember the pronunciation of this.
Grüß Gott, Grüß Sie, Grüß dich,
Are casual greetings. Once again,
Grüß Sie, Grüß dich,
Sie and Dick are 2 different pronouns. Sie is used in formal situations, whereas Dick can be used amongst friends and known people. Please note that these 2 greetings are used in a singular form and cannot be used for a group of people. In this case, S takes the pronunciation Z.
Servus,
Once again,
Servus,
this greeting originates from Switzerland and is mostly used in southern Germany. It could mean both hello and bye. This greeting can be used anytime during the day.
Tschüss,
Once again,
Tschüss,
this is spoken all over Germany and mostly informally. You will also find
Tschüss,
with a different spelling that means with a double S at the end.
Tschüss,
Some people also just say ciao. The word ciao comes from the Italian language, but it's used in a lot of European countries.
Auf Wiedersehen,
Once again,
Auf Wiedersehen,
this is also used all over Germany, but in formal situations. When talking on the phone, you would say,
Auf Wiederhören,
once again.
Auf Wiederhören,
This is not very different from.
Auf Wiedersehen,
The only difference is, this is used on the phone, since you cannot see the person.
bis bald,
Once again,
bis bald,
this is commonly used amongst friends. Please remember here that bald has the sound of A like the hallow.
bis später,
Once again,
bis später,
This is an alternative form of bis bald. You might also hear.
Bis dann.
Now we will be summarizing all the greetings and all the forms that we have learned in this video. I will be reading out all the greetings we have done. Please repeat them after me. So here we go.
Hallo. Guten Tag. Bis später. Bis bald. Auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Servus. Grüß Gott. Grüß Sie. Grüß dich. Grüß Gott. Gute Nacht. Guten Abend. Guten Morgen.
Hope these 16 greetings have given you a feel of the German language. Feel free to watch this again. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you still haven't, you can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.
Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.